Hello everyone, hope you're all okay. Welcome to day 19 of 31 days of Easy Peasy Painty Papers. I've just been having a little play. Things for mark making again today. This I saved last night, was from off the bottom of a packet of mushrooms. Wasn't sure whether it would work or not, but it does. This little bit is that I showed you in a previous video, but I don't think I used. This bit here is bottle cap, and there's bits of I've used in places. It didn't work ever so well, but a piece of doily just on a cap off of something. Oh, this, I love this. This is the, you know, when you buy an electrical product, well, I think overseas you have 2 pins, but we have the 3 pins plugs, and it's just like a little face lookers. I've just been drying these a bit, and as I was doing it, I was thinking, oh, I could do make some little faces just on small pieces of card, just some little faces, little characters, because they're faces, aren't they? Obviously. I think that's really pretty. Then there's that one. It's got the mushroom carton, and it's that. And so I thought we would have a play. And then tomorrow I'm going to go back to metallic paints tomorrow on black card again. Right, let's have another bit of yellow. What shall we do? So I said I was going to do reds and yellows and oranges, I think, but I seem to have got turquoise down. Turquoise, red and purple are the colours of today. I just want to do another one of these. So again, just look around the house for different bits and bobs that, you know, you might normally throw away. Now, I'm not bothered whether they come out as proper faces. But look, they are. They're little faces. So that was the turquoise. That one, Hobbycraft turquoise. Again, using all the cheap paints. This is the Crafts cherry red. Don't think you'll see this because I can't get everything in frame. Might make a rude noise now because it's nearly at the bottom of the... Pardon me. It's nearly empty. Oh, that's pretty with just... Oh, yes. Right, we'll have a bit of this purple. This is something purple. Don't know. Pale mauve, it says. Crafter's choice. Oh, that one comes out a lot. Put that on the blue side. Oh, look at that, that's a lovely purple. There. Oh, let's just have another one just there, look. Just there. Pretty. Should probably do the other sides later. It's got a big clump on it there. Come off, little monkey. There's that one. Just hang that up on my little line. Right, what else shall we do? Shall we have another yellow sheet? Just because I've got loads of different papers. We'll do the mushroom carton next, shall we? We'll use these 3 colours again. I might just do... I'm getting muddy coloured fingers, look. Purple and... Well, one of the colours I used was an orangey red. So purple and orange, I think, make mud, don't they? Now, which side did I use? Which side I used now? Because I've washed it. Oh well, we'll use that side. See what happens, shall we? Oh yes. Right, so that's the blue. It's pretty cool, isn't it? We'll use some purple. Spread that out a bit more, I think. To roll my sleeves up. I'm not thinking about it, just dobbing it down. I might just leave this one at the... just like that, I think. Yeah, that's pretty. Just from a mushroom carton. Brilliant. Space. I've got no floor room. I've got boxes and boxes of Mark making things all on the floor. Right, have we got time for another one? Let's have another yellow. Just a minute while I get my the sheet out of the drawer. There we go. What shall we use now? Oh, I know what else I got. This is a pizza tray, the foam stuff from a pizza tray. So you could use this if you have pizzas that come on a foam thing to make your some little stamps with, like I was showing in a video a few videos ago. But that's got a bit of, let's have a look, texture on. I think I've used this on the jelly plate before. Oh yes, that's nice. I do like that. And you could just, if you've got something like this, you could, you know, put circles out of it or something, or whatever shape you wanted. of this cherry red again, if it'll come out. Oh, it came out that time. Yeah, it'll be alright, won't it? Ooh, yes. It's pretty, and then we'll have some of the purple again. What did I say this was called? Pale mauve? Pale mauve. Not what I would call it, but it's purple. Mauve to me is a lighter purple. Oh, I just love this. Love it. Look at that. So pretty. How many minutes are we on? 11 minutes. Oh, there's just so many things in everyday life that we can find that, you know, that you can use for this sort of thing. Right. Just going to have one more sheet of yellow. Oops, crumpled yellow. We'll do the blue again. These 3 blues, reds and purples. But what are we going to use? What shall we use? What shall we use? Let's see if we can... This won't come out as a proper print. Not like the little face does, but we'll just do repeat pattern again. Oh, it's not too bad. Don't mind my hair. I think, oh no, it's not hair, it's cotton. Oh, that's come out better than I thought it would. I don't know whether it's picking it up, but it's just very, very lightly putting bits of colour down there. I don't know why I'm talking quietly. Don't know. And a cherry red down. Right, when I've finished the video I might go back with all the excess colours and go on the back of the papers. Just put my little leggy band over the top to keep it on. Right. Oh, don't you just love these dirty fingers? Oops. it's alive. Alive, alive-o. And then a bit of the purple. I sounded like, what's his name? Granville. Oh, what's it? Open All Hours, is it? Ronnie Barker? Granville. I think that's what it was. That looks nice like that. Just those colours. More is more, more is more. More is more. Oh, so pretty. Oh, yes. Yes, indeedy. Yes, indeedy. There. Can see the pattern. Right, my lovelies. It's quite a quick one today, so thank you very much for watching. I'm going to continue to finish these paints off on the backs of these. And then I shall be doing tomorrow's video. Yes, we've got quite a few pretty papers today. Oh, there's that one there. Yes. Right, thanks ever so much for watching again, and I will see you tomorrow. Take care, bye.